Hello students, how are you all? Hope all are fine and safe. Yes, we should thank God every day. Okay, once again I welcome you all for the maths class. To recall what we have learnt, we will see some important points. What did we learn last class? We learnt basic shapes. We learnt basic shapes. Yes. Give me an high five. Yes. We learnt it. Very good. Next. What all we learnt? We learnt spelling. Shall we do one more oral drilling? Yes. Are you all ready? Yes. What is the spelling for square? S-Q-U-A-R-E. What is the spelling for square? S-Q-U-A-R-E. What is the spelling for triangle? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. What is the spelling for rectangle? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Last class how I taught you? Rec. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. What is the spelling for circle? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Very good. Very good. Shakib. We'll put one high five. Okay? Good. All are answering correctly. Next, what we learned? We learned the shape of a square, shape of a triangle. We learned examples for rectangle and examples for circle. Okay, then we learned about square. What is the spelling for square? One more time. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Very good. And what we learned? We learned a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Very good. We learned a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Good. Then what we learned? We learned some examples also. Then we learned about a triangle. We learned about a triangle. A triangle, spelling for triangle is T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay? Good. All are remembering it. Very good. Good, good. All my children are very bright children, no? Yes, you're all very bright children. Intelligent. Excellent in doing your homeworks. And very much happy you're all submitting your homeworks and your projects on time. I thank all the parents for that wonderful effort. Today, let's go to our class now. Today, we are going to see the remaining part of the chapter. What is the remaining part of the chapter? The remaining part of the chapter is 3D shapes. We learned about basic shapes. Today, we are going to learn about 3D shapes. 3D means what? 3-dimensional. Okay, 3D shapes. 3D shapes are also called solid shapes. I'll repeat. 3D shapes are also called solid shapes. There are many objects of different shapes in our surrounding. Let us take a look at some of them. Today we'll learn about cube. What is the spelling? We'll learn this now. We'll see the spelling for cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Next is cuboid. This shape is cuboid. And the spelling is C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. This spelling is C-U-B-O-I-D. This shape is cylinder. The spelling is C-Y-L-I-N cylinder. Cylinder. What is the spelling for cylinder? cylinder. Cylinder. Next, what is this? This is a sphere shape. The spelling is sphere. The spelling is sphere. 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 The last shape is cone, and the spelling is cone. Cone. Okay. One more time we will revise the spelling. The spelling for cube is cube. Cube. The spelling for cuboid is cuboid. Cuboid. The spelling for cylinder is cylinder. Cylinder. The spelling for cone is cone. Cone. And the last spelling is sphere. sphere. This is very, very important. You should know to write the correct spelling. Next, we will see about cube. What is the spelling for a cube? cube. Cube. And how a cube will be? A cube will be like this. Okay? And it will be like this also. A cube will be like this also. Okay? Nice to see like this, no? Yes. Okay, there are some important features about a cube. A cube has 12 edges and 6 surfaces. A cube has 12 edges and 6 surfaces. Miss, I don't know what is a edge and I don't know what is a surface. I'll teach you what is a edge and what is a surface. Okay. An edge. Edge வந்து ரெண்டு side meet பண்ற இடம் பேரு edge. Where the edge is a place where two sides will come and meet. That is a edge. Surface. Flat இருக்கும். Sometimes curved இருக்கும். மேலே ஒரு ஷேப் மேலே கீழே ஃப்ளாட்டாக இருக்கிறது பேர் surface. Okay, you understood what is an edge? Edge is a point where two sides come and meet. That straight line. Okay, straight-ஆக இருக்கும் அந்த edgeன்றது it will be a straight line. Surface, it will be like a top on the top and it will the bottom. Now we will see some examples for cube. Here are the examples for cube. Okay, you can find some other objects at your home also. Now we will see the next shape, that is cuboid. The spelling for cuboid is cuboid. Cuboid. How a cuboid will be? A cuboid will be like this. A cuboid will look like this. Now I'll show you one more picture. Here. This is how a cuboid. This is a cube and this is a cuboid. Both cube and cuboid is here. This is a cube. This is a cube and this is a cuboid. ரெண்டுமே இருக்கும். Cube and cuboid will be present in this picture. Okay. Here are the important features about a cuboid. It has 12 edges and 6 surfaces. The cuboid also has 12 edges and 6 surfaces. You understood it? Yes. Now we'll see some examples for cuboid. Here comes examples or pictures for cuboid. Brick, sponge, a wooden box, a gift box or a shoe box. Okay, these are the examples for cuboid. Okay, there are many objects around us which are in cuboid in shape. Okay, next we will see the next shape as cylinder. The spelling for cylinder is cylinder. Cylinder. The cylinder spelling is cylinder. This how a cylinder shape will look. This how a cylinder shape. This is a this image is in cylindrical in shape. Next, we will see some picture. Okay, this is a juice. Okay, Coke, tin Coke. This object is in cylindrical in shape. This object is in cylindrical in shape. Now we'll see the important features of a cylinder. A cylinder has two curved edges and two flat surfaces. A cylinder has two curved edges and two flat surfaces. What is a curved edge? What is a flat surface? I'll tell you. The curved part, valanjirka, that is a curved edge. Flat surface, at the top and the bottom, you will have a flat. That is a flat surface. You understood what is a curved edge and flat surface? Yes. Now we'll see some examples for cylinders. Here are the examples for cylinders. Okay, have a look at it. Next, the next shape what we are going to see is cone. What is the spelling for a cone? C-O-N-E, cone. Easy spelling. What is the spelling for one? O-N-E, one. Adu munadi C putta? Cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Easy, no? What is the spelling for cone? C-O-N-E. This how a cone will look like. And this how a cone. This is a cone shape. You know the spelling for cone now? C-O-N-E. Cone. Easy spelling, no? Now we will see one example for a cone picture. What is this? Wow, ice cream. What ice cream? Cone ice cream. We'll say, no, this is a cone ice cream. Why we are saying this is a cone ice cream? Because the shape of this shape of an ice cream is a cone shape. Okay, this is cone shaped ice cream. Okay, now let's see the important features of cone. Cone ice cream illa cone. We'll see the important features of a cone. The first thing is it has one curved surface, one curved edge and one flat surface. A cone has a one curved edge and one flat surface. Okay, you understood? Next, we'll see some examples for cone. Here are the pictures which are in cone in shape. Examples of cone shape. Okay, ice cream, a party cup, rings, okay, some dosa, cone dosa, okay, etc. Next, we will see the next object is sphere. What is this? Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. This is the image of a sphere. What is the spelling for sphere? S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Okay. I'll show you one picture how a sphere will look. This how a sphere will look. See, it will be rolling. It is rolling. Okay, it doesn't have any flat surface. It doesn't have any curved surface. It doesn't have any corners. It doesn't have any edges. Okay. Now, we'll see the important features of a sphere. The important feature of a sphere is, first thing is, it has one curved surface. Only one curved surface will be there and no edges. It will have only one curved surface and no edges. Okay, this is an important features about the sphere. And we'll look at, here are the examples for sphere. The examples for sphere is a ball, a globe, orange, a lollipop top. All these things are examples for sphere. Hope you understood the lesson. Okay. Once again, we will see the spellings for 3D shapes. Okay. The first thing will be cube. The spelling will be C-U-B-E, cube. The second spelling will be cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. The third spelling is cone, C-O-N-E, cone. And the fourth spelling is cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. And sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Children, we have a homework session also. Today we will see some homework session. The homework is, write the shape's name for 3 times. Write shape's name for 3 times. Children, hope you understood the lesson. The 3D objects. Objects of 3D are, we have seen in, you are seeing it in daily life. Okay, make a note of them and discuss with your parents. Children, the one important thing I want to make a note of it is, kindly submit your homework. Okay, write 3 times means write it in 3, write for 3 times. And one important thing I want to mention in this video is, kindly write your name on top of your notebook. Like if you are starting your homework means, you can start writing your name on the top of it and start writing it. Okay, children, hope all you have enjoyed your lessons. Hope you understood the lesson. And important thing is, one more time before closing the session, we will revise the spelling for all the shapes. And this is your homework. You have to write the spelling in your rough notebook and you have to post it in the group. And before closing the session, to refresh the thing, we will learn the spelling alone. The cube spelling is, we'll start revising the spellings. The spelling for the cube is C-U-B-E, cube. The spelling for cube is C-U-B-E, cube. And the spelling for cuboid is C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. The spelling for cylinder is C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. The spelling for cone is C-O-N-E, cone. The spelling for sphere is S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay, this is very important thing. So I'm giving you one more revision to you. You have to learn the spelling. Okay, to close my session, I thank all the parents and I thank all the children for supporting us by doing your homeworks. Thank you, children. We will meet you again. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe at your home. Thank you, children. Thank you, parents. Pray to God each and every day. Pray to God and thank God for all His goodness. Thank you. Thank you once again.